This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine and champagne videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous French champagne house located in Chingy Les Roses and founded in 1918. Chingy Les Roses being a village, a Permier cru village in the Montagne de Reims part of the Champagne wine region of France. The Cattier family has been owning vineyards in this area for 13 generations since 1625, but the house itself and the first bottles of Cattier Champagnes were issued and released for vintage 1918. Hence the house being founded that year. So how do you go about pronouncing Cattier with the typical French pronunciation? Cattier. Note that Cattier is also the maker of famous champagne brand Armand de Brignac, an ace of Spades famous for being owned or related to the rapper Jay-Z. Champagne Cattier with the typical French pronunciation Champagne Cattier. Cattier Champagne. Or in the English pronunciation, Champagne Cattier. Cattier. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of champagne and other vinos. Au revoir. Bye-bye.